Hello everybody, please can I ask for the help of any photographers who either know the island of La Palma really well, or maybe you're a photographer on the island of La Palma in the Canaries. We're running around doing the recce looking for some locations which will deliver more than just one picture. Locations where when the light is in the right direction it can be evocative, it can be moody, somewhere with potential to spend an hour or so, you know, getting different shots from different places. You climb up here, you lay down there, all the rest of it. Something which has really surprised me is the time it takes to drive from one place to another. The island is very small, but you could spend an hour or more just travelling 10 miles because of the way the roads wind up the caldera and switch back on themselves, etc. We're kind of running out of time. If you know some really good places, please post maybe a Google Maps link or just give us a name below here. Please avoid tourist lookouts, the miradors, things like that. The lady who owns this lovely place where we're staying said, oh, here's a list of great places you must go. There's photos. But they're just tourist lookouts. It's not what we're looking for. You know, you might be up high looking across a valley. Yeah, it's all well and good. But we need, you know, those isolated places. Maybe places in the hills. We found some great places yesterday. But they're down tiny little windy tracks up the side of the caldera. And they're really exciting and interesting. Those are the sorts of things we're looking for. Down by the coast, up in the hills, farming communities, fishing communities. You know, it's not just about landscape. It's really interesting to maybe photograph some people doing what they do or have them involved within the pictures. Your help would be hugely appreciated. Please post us a couple of things below. We've only got a day and a half left here before I've got to make the call. Will I come back again to shoot more pictures, find the locations and fully understand the island some more, and we'll set up a workshop here? Or do we go, you know what, it doesn't quite deliver the goods we need? So, look forward to hearing from you. Thanks guys. Trying to switch it off.